Um, um, guys, which one should I choose? Should I wear Flutter first or Scraps first? Because I don't know which one is better. I want to trick people into thinking. I want to trick my siblings. I want to trick my bestie in real life who's friends with me in Roblox too. Thinking that there is a secret dev snow time skin for Flutter for their. But I also want to get Scraps because yes, look at this shady guy. I want to get Scraps.